We'll guide you through how to fix the File Explorer preview pane not working in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really annoying problem because you then can't go and get an idea of what the file is going to go and be about, like a PDF or Word, without fully opening it up. I find it really convenient just to go and get a preview before fully opening it up. It just saves me time. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and resolve this. Make sure it's a full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss the fix, which is for you. So to go and get started in File Explorer, you want to come to the top and click View, go down and then click Preview Pane. Then, of course, go and press Preview in the top right and select a file and go and see if it works. But you can see for me, it says no preview available. If this is happening or something else is, let's get into another fix. Press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Task Manager, or you can press Control, Alt and Delete together. You see a list of options and press Task Manager and you can open it up. Now you should go and see Explorer in Apps, or you can try searching for it and you want to go and select it. And with it selected, you want to go to the top here and you need to go and press Restart Task. You'll go and see everything will then go and reload. You can then go and open up File Explorer like so. We'll come back here and we can then try clicking on the PDF and you can go and see if that goes and works. But as you can see, it doesn't. It still says no preview available. Don't worry, we still got another fix you can try. So what you need to do is come to the top of File Explorer and you want to go and find the three dots to the right here. Now you want to go and find Options, press View. There are quite a few different options here, but go and pay close attention as we go and find what we're looking for. So go and scroll down and what you want to find is Show Preview Pane Handlers in Preview Pane. That needs to go and be selected to the right. And then you can press Apply in the bottom right and you can go and press OK. And as you can see, the preview is now working. I click on this Word doc, this PDF, and we're now seeing it. Hopefully that goes and solves the problem. However, if it doesn't, what we're going to do is close out of here like so. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go and open up, if you press search at the bottom, CMD, right click on it, and you want to press run as administrator. Shortly, you're going to get a security prompt. Then what you need to do here is you need to go and type in SFC space / scan, one word, now. Press enter and it's going to go and start scanning your system and it will go and repair problems it may go and find. And hopefully that will then go and solve the problem. Hopefully that goes and solves it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We make how-tos like this every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. Feel free to go and check out the channel for more how-tos as well.